Well, hello, how you doing, people? This is going to be a prediction box. Behind the sliding door over here, I have 4 stickers, and I have 4 color stickers. So I'm doing a prediction before I slide this out. I'm going to show you the back of the cabinet here. I do have 4 blocks, actually 5, but I replaced the 5th one with a ball. So I have 5 colors here, 4 blocks and 1 ball: blue, red, yellow, green, and orange. And your job is to select a color and select a number, and this is going to be a free choice. So to make the point that this is really a free choice, you can put any of the 4 colors here. You can change your mind. You replace the red with the orange. You can put the orange on number what is this, number 3, and put the yellow. The point is that this is a free choice. When this spectator finally sets his mind on the colors, you know what, let's go ahead and do some more changes. We'll change this one with this one, and maybe change this one with this one. Are you happy now? Or is it good? You want to change these two? What the heck. So finally, when the spectator finally makes up his mind, let's go ahead and do the reveal, and let's see if we got it right. We got number 4 to be yellow, 3 is green, 2 is orange, and blue. Number 1 is for blue, and you always get it right. And this is our rendition, an upgrade model of the Mini Mental. It is 3D printed. I do consider it to be a different effect because of the ball. The ball can throw off magicians, because even if they are familiar with the effect, it might throw them off. Some of the cool features is, other than the ball, is the container itself, or the cabinet itself. It self-contains the blocks, so you can put all 4 blocks with the ball, so they fit perfectly. So you don't have to have an additional carrying case or a pouch. One thing with the ball here is that the cabinet itself, it does have a dimple for the ball, so it doesn't roll and fall. So the ball can stay still, the blocks can stay still. So these are the upgrades for this model. It comes in black. The blocks could be customized to any color. And we hope you enjoyed this 3D print, and you can find it at 3dmagictricks.com. Right?
Every day discovering something brand new.